In this video we are going to tackle about the law of attraction, what is a law of attraction and how to use the law of attraction to achieve success. It is possible to achieve success with the use of law of attraction. Good day, this is Momentum. The law of attraction is one of the universal laws that it is at work all the time for everybody. You don't need to know how it works, but you do need to know how to use to greatly increase your chance of success in life. This article focuses on financial success. Here are the tips on how we are using the law of attraction to achieve success. The first one will know specifically what you want. Separate a page into 3 columns and head them what I don't want, what I do want and why I want this. What I don't want. In the first column, write a list of everything that you do not want about money, such as being in debt, stress about paying bills, having an out-of-date wardrobe, working long hours and not having any family time, etc. What I do want. In the second column, next to each item you have already written, write the exact opposite of each item. For example, next to stress about paying bills, write having more than enough money to pay my bills on time each month, or next to having an out-of-date wardrobe, write affording well-made clothing that suits me. Why I want this. In the last column, write why you want it next to each item in the what I want column. Each time you give yourself an answer, ask again, why do I want that? You are trying to get to the core feelings that motivate you. The motivation goes beyond the material items and is needed to make the goal meaningful to you. Really spend time on this column, and when you get to an answer that gives you a feeling of knowing or an unfamiliar wave of emotion, you have the answer to write. The next one will be you need to give it a time to happen. Now you know what you want and why. You have already activated the law of attraction to begin orchestrating your success. Your main task now is to allow it to work. The next is you need to create your affirmations. On a new sheet, write out your list of what you want and the reason for it. Write each item as if it is already true in the present. For example, I love that my wardrobe is filled with fashionable well-made clothes that suit me because I walk taller and feel powerful and respected when I walk into meetings. I am so grateful now that I earn ever-increasing amounts of passive income from multiple streams of income so that I can spend so much quality time with my family. Repeat these affirmations when you wake and when you go to sleep at night and as often as you can any other time. Next is deal with resistance. If any doubts or fears begin to surface, nip them in the bud by doing EFT, distracting yourself with something you enjoy doing on another topic, or finding something inspiring to read or listen to by others who have succeeded. The next is take an action. Keep your end goals clearly in mind, feeling the emotions they evoke. When encountering any decision that may take you closer to success, only act on the choices that feel right when holding your goal in mind. Never worry about missing an opportunity. Law of attraction will keep bringing you opportunities if you keep your focus on your goals and the feelings they evoke. You can never miss the boat or miss a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. The next is know the difference between working hard versus inspired action. Working hard without a clear end goal in mind is like racing up a ladder and finding it's resting against the wrong wall. On the other hand, using the law of attraction and then taking inspired action, acting on your intuition with your goals clearly in mind, can result in miracles. The last one will be taken one step at a time. You don't need to know all the steps to take to make your goal, but you do need to believe in the success of your goal, and you do need to look out for the one next step and act on it. Law of attraction.